Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be taking a quick look at Polygon MATIC. A lot has happened in the last 24 hours. A massive 14% increase from about $2.09 all the way up to $2.38. A very, very nice increase, actually up to $2.52. However, we have come back down since that $2.52 price point to $2.38. Still, volatility remains in this market. This crypto market continues, like I said, to do very, very crazy things in 2021 with a very, very bullish momentum building up for 2022. We're going to talk, though, a little bit more about Polygon, what is making it go, and what's going to continue to make Polygon make its really new all-time high goals in 2022. If we take a look at the last week alone, about a 31% increase for Polygon. While a lot of coins have been struggling this month, Polygon has not been. It's been doing very, very well. In the last month, about a 26.31% increase, coming from numbers like $1.44 up to $2.38, $2.52. Very, very solid. I want to jump, though, a little bit deeper into what Polygon has been talking about here recently and why I believe this coin is going to continue to push farther and really reach new all-time highs in 2022. We'll give you guys price predictions at the end of today's video, so make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on to stay up to date with everything regarding Polygon, as well as so much other crypto in the space. We have a lot of great altcoins to talk about today. Polygon, though, and like I said, there's a lot to jump into. So Lido Finance is expanding to Polygon. So Polygon users can actually stake MATIC tokens in a decentralized and secure way and use them on the secondary market with a simple click of a button on the UI. So a very, very great partnership there with Lido. And there's a lot of great partnerships that we're going to talk about just very, very rapidly because there's a lot of cool things I want to jump into regarding really Polygon and the future with some of these great, great partnerships. If we take a look at CEX.io integrating with Polygon, customers can now benefit from the faster, lower cost Ethereum-based transactions, and you can learn more about that on their blog post. But then, really, I guess the biggest thing to mention here is there is another great partnership that continues to give customers a benefit when this utility really kind of comes together and works together. So more in with partnerships. We have GetOryx is launching their lend and trade protocols on Polygon. Using Polygon, OryxD app users will be able to trade quickly and cheaply across chains, while lenders will be able to accumulate revenue from the trading fees. So just another great partnership there, but I want to jump into more than just partnerships. So here we see Ethereum skyrocketing adoption in everything from DeFi to NFTs comes with a gigantic energy bill. How does Polygon's carbon footprint compare? Well, this eye-popping graphic puts things into perspective. You can see here with the CO2 emissions being 1 Bitcoin transaction, 1 US home per month, and 1 Ethereum transaction. So you can see how really this goes down, 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 down until you see the 1 transaction with Polygon at the very, very bottom of 0.0003. So definitely a lot of value in that. And you can see more of a work toward an energy-efficient consensus, and Polygon has become the destination for eco-consensus or really eco-conscious projects, and it is launching for the very first time on Bubble House app. You can see here, so Bubble House app is actually launching the first ever carbon-neutral NFT marketplace on the network. So a lot of great adoptions, coming in place with Polygon. I want to jump a little bit farther into Polygon, but before we do so, I want to go over to Crypto.com. So a lot of you guys have heard a lot of different exchanges, probably, whether it's Coinbase, Voyager, Crypto.com. There are a lot of great a lot of great exchanges to buy coins and sell coins. However, one of the best out there is definitely Crypto.com, and that's because of the fees. That's because of the different kind of value you can actually get out of Crypto.com with their APY. So you can actually grow your portfolio by receiving rewards up to 14.5% on your crypto assets. It's actually very, very solid. I will have a link down in the description below if you guys are interested. Definitely use my referral link. It should help you guys out getting started, but it talks about buying crypto at a true cost. So buy and sell 200 plus cryptocurrencies with 20 plus fiat currencies. And so basically you're getting accessibility to so many coins that other exchanges just do not offer. Definitely a great exchange to jump on board with to start out with. And I want to jump over, though, back to Polygon. So there's more to jump into. Earth2.io. If you guys have ever been to Earth2.io, it talks more about the thrilled to announce Earth2's decentralization plans in partnership with the Polygon Studios to bring our metaverse to Web3. We will be deploying on Polygon and will leverage their scaling protocol and framework to convert Earth2 in-game assets. So definitely another great thing to actually see here. Just more utility. And this is definitely, like I said, a very, very solid partnership with Polygon yet again. We have more to jump into, though, this time two different articles. This one, first off, talking about Polygon and December 9th. So what is coming December 9th? So Polygon MATIC Crypto Announcement is coming. And a lot of people are talking about it's promising to be a defining moment for the Polygon network. That's because it will be hosting the ZK Summit. The event is a forum for discussing of ZK scaling, a proving algorithm that promises to be the future of blockchain computing. The ZK proofing mechanism stands for zero knowledge. With this consensus mechanism, transactions are sent to a third party for verification. However, the third party doesn't have access to the exact information it's verifying. It combines the benefits of third party validation, really, and then an also added layer of security. So very, very cool to see this third party, doesn't have full access to that data. But that is, like I said, going to be a huge thing to keep in mind, guys. December 9th, definitely stay up to date, and I'll keep you guys up to date with Polygon as well coming on that December 9th. But there's going to be a lot of hope for big things, and that's exactly why you're seeing this price continue to rise as well. As we also see VCs in talks to invest $50 million to $150 million in Polygon. This is a report by CoinDesk, and this is definitely a big one. If we could see 50 million to 150 million in a VC really jump in, I think we are going to see a lot of retail as well as institutional investors follow up or even try to take advantage before, this does take place. But we can actually see investors like Sequoia Capital India, SteadView Capital are eyeing investments in the Ethereum layer 2. I'm not going to jump too much farther into this, but just expect a lot of money to be flowing into Polygon if this does take place. And we'll continue to keep you guys up to date on this one as well. I want to jump, though, back over to Polygon, talk a little bit about the price predictions for the end of the year and the end of the bull market, most likely in 2022 or even 2023, depending on a lot of different things. But we do see this last day, it is starting to come back down, down to $2.33. And this is something that you'll continue to see volatility in, definitely with December 9th being a very big date and a big announcement coming is what they say. So we'll continue to keep you guys up to date. But I want to say, guys, realistically, after doing TA, after expecting, some of these big dates, some of these big announcements, we are going to see Polygon by the end of this year specifically pushing anywhere between $2.50 to $3. I think that's going to be a realistic consolidated number. If we think about the crypto space altogether, a lot of action has been taking place in the last couple of months, but we all expected consolidation in December. Well, with the current price of Polygon, that's exactly what you should continue to expect, $2.50 to $3. And I want to go into the end of the bull market now, though. So the end of the bull market is something that a lot of people have been talking about. When is it? Well, nobody exactly knows the price of, or sorry, not the price, but the month of which it'll end, or the day it'll end, or the time it'll end. But realistically, Polygon's one coin that has so much value, so much utility, so much partnerships that because of all those put together, we are going to see Polygon most likely pushing closer to a $7 to $10 price point before the end of the bull market. I want to say, guys, if you have not already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on to stay up to date with everything crypto, whether it's Polygon, VeChain, Cardano, Chainlink. We talk about it all here on the channel. Also, follow me on Twitter, Crypto Profit YT on Twitter to stay up to date with all things crypto. And I also want to say, guys, one last thing. There is a Patreon down in the description below if you guys want to continue to support the channel and also stay up to date with pre-sales, IDOs, IEOs, all of the most, really bullish ways to make money in crypto, getting in early. That's all going to be available to you guys on the Patreon down in the description. Thank you guys again for tuning in. I'll see you guys all in the next one.